Alright, we're back at the junkyard. We're going to start taking the pieces off this thing so it'll save us a lot of time fabricating. And we brought a generator, tools. We're going to start hacking away at this thing.
That generator there, it's 2,000 watt. Will run a power tool like a Sawzall, but it will not run a small air compressor. So we got some miscellaneous grinders and that, and a couple cordless tools in here.
So I'm winded just from cleaning all the junk. There's doors, all kinds of stuff, so you can just even move around it. You know, it's frozen in the ground. You get tired just cleaning crap up just to get to the job.
I think we're gonna make the work area safe and just cut these trees out of here. There's ice on the ground behind it. Cut those trees out.
This thing we gotta remember.
Got a tripping hazard here.
See, this thing's huge.
This quarter sure is rusty for being a Western car. Taking the trunk lid off so we can get in there real easy.
Is this metric? It's kind of loose. There's so much dangerous shit.
I kind of got into the C-pillar a little bit. But
Just remember that ice.
we're going to take a generous cut up here. The factory lead is somewhere in this neighborhood. Half of this side's already cut out for us. I think we'll dice this roof off and be done with it. So we got this Milwaukee electric saw here. And apparently this thing's made specifically for metal. See how it does.
Am I through? I don't think I made it through the bottom.
We'll just run the Sawzall through there to get the rest.
There's still a piece.
The Sawzall's way over there.
Oh, we gotta go up. We gotta twist it. We gotta come back my way to even be able to cut it. A little bit further. Go back to original. Damn it. It's gonna be bound up. It's really, where they chopped into it, it's been, damn it.
We're sitting here hacking away at this webbing underneath the package tray. And it's rock solid. I got this side kind of loosened up. It's in the trunk. I cut all the way across there.
You wouldn't believe how hard this was.
And then I had to cut a window in here and come across this body. And I think we got it loosened up now.
So this is what we ended up having to take in order to get the parts that we want so you don't destroy them. Then it will be time just drilling out spot welds to separate this metal, then surgically doing it on the car that we want to put the parts on. So there's going to be a lot of time just getting the band-aids that we want to take.
Yeah, we'd have used every single tool we had here to get this off.
That circular saw was the cat's ass. If you didn't have that, we would have been screwed. I think it's time they can end up scrapping this one out now.
Not much left on it.
Not much left.
Taillights.